Siemens Virtual Touch IQ is the third generation of our suite of virtual touch technologies. Virtual Touch IQ combines imaging and quantification in a single image and can be complementary to information obtained by Easy Touch Elasticity Imaging. Designed to focus on a user-defined region of interest, or ROI, Virtual Touch IQ applies push pulses sequentially across the ROI, which slightly compress tissue. This causes lateral sound waves or shear waves to transmit across the ROI. A series of ultrasound detection pulses follow immediately in a quick push-pulse, detect-pulse, push-pulse sequence. Velocities are then calculated for each area within the ROI at exceptional color-coded resolution, providing more clinical data to support a better diagnosis.